Q Car Auto Care Center.
Other door.
Please keep door closed. Man, is that the other one's closed? Oh my god.
Well, let's get this one. AC should probably get just let's see where it stands. If you can even do anything. I know the tires are preferences for you.
Cute car, little L.
I was there when you read all the code.
Road 66.
A little bit about that. I was there when you watched the code.
Please use the other door. It's closed. Oh my goodness. It's closed. The door is closed. Look. Look, it's closed. Oh my god. We used this door, but this door's closed. Yeah. Look, this door's closed. This door's closed. We used the other one, but this one doesn't work. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. If you shake one more time, you pay it. We use this door, but this door doesn't work. But we use this door and this door. We use this door and no, this door's locked. Look, it's closed. Oh my god. Okay, I'm not going to unlock it. I'm not going to unlock this door. I'm not gonna do that. Because if I do that, then they'll get mad at me. This door is unlocked. Look. That door is unlocked, but no, this door is locked.
I'll show you. There's no way to replace the bulb.
This door is locked, but if I unlock it, but they get mad at me.
We don't have this.
Okay. Yes. Put the name on it.
It's like a strip.
Q.
You'd have to go online or something, or one of these.
Kwik car.
Okay.
Put that back on.
Valvoline. Moto Ollie. We use Genie Chevrolet parts. Jeep. Is that a Jeep? It was made in 1941. We use this door, but that door is locked. Okay. Come on. ¿Qué vas a hacer, pa?
Vete a buscar las llaves y la...
We need to find the keys.
Corre, corre.
Come on, come on.
Vete a ayudar a Bolita para que se baje. Corre, empieza a ayudarla. Entonces se la van a llevar a la ven.
Let's take the keys. Let's take the keys. Kwik Car Auto Care Center.
Vamos para adentro, para la oficina.
Okay. I take a photo. Okay, we need to take the keys. We take the keys. We take the keys. Now let's go. That door is closed. Please keep door closed. Please use the other door. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, let's take a seat. Ugh. Oh my god. The time at the video is 5 minutes and 37 seconds. Yeah. Let me take a nap. Okay, that is it.
¿Cómo te fue?
Bien. Bien. Okay. Okay. Oh my god.
Pelería.
We bring the
Y como
keys.
quiera tiene la frentota también.
And we're here. We're back here. We're back at here.
Aquí, del chiquitito, sí, de aquí.
Okay, we're here.
Pero
We're
no le
back.
sale mucho.
We bring the keys. That door is unlocked, but that one is locked.
Quiero otro tiburón.
Oh my goodness. Look, this door's locked. Look. If I unlock this door, they'll get mad at me. Look, this door is unlocked. Look. That door is unlocked, but that door's locked. Please use the other door. Door closed. Please use the other door. Okay. We bring the keys and we're back at here. Okay, we're here. I love tamales. Oh. I have 7 subscribers. 7 subscribers. Let me dance. Let me dance. Let me dance. Okay, I'm done dancing.
Well, shit, I think we got more keys.
You shall gonna get beat. If you shall get beat. Sorry.
Okay, so I couldn't check in for it pretty much as soon as I put it in reverse. It came back on. So we have the, I'm guessing it's the sensor. So
Coffee.
So you're getting to the code other than the alternator.
Yeah, it was like bank.
Let me see. How do I look?
It was heat control something.
Wow, I look nice. Okay.
Yes, that's something you guys do.
We bring the keys. So
Should we just make an appointment, bring it back?
we bring the keys. Now we're back. Okay. There's the restroom. The van is over there.
I tried clearing it, it's not like it's Adobe code, it's still there.
So there is, other than the code they got, different.
Yes.
Well, no, there's not, actually, I think any code.
You should now, right?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
They want to make the heat sensor control circuit.
So just a sensor
It's gonna
somewhere.
be something with the coolant. I'm not.
Aquí le hacen cambio de aceite a los carros.
Yes, what? We'll find out what we need. They're not busy, but I mean, if we make an appointment, we'll sit here an hour.
Ew.
Let's make.
Dancing. I love dancing.
Just call out the
We
shop.
got 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Look, this button here does press in the trash and it opens like this. Look, now it's gonna get closed. Watch. See? That's my idea.
Yeah, we'll just come sit here, as long as you got a mechanic ready to go with the appointment, shouldn't take that long.
Someone's watch me. Someone's watch me. Gotta hide. No, it was gonna watch me. I better stay here until the police never find me. Okay, I'm safe. Fourth, Chevrolet.
Thank you, Dylan.
Absolutely.
Ya, no 2 días más. 17 y 28 y ya. Estás aquí, papi. Al otro le decía, no, para Navidad. Y para Navidad, antes de
Ew, I look nice.
Y no, lo más seguro que para Navidad. Y ahí me quedaron. No, ya hablaste con Salario. Y ya hablaste con Salario.
Oh, okay, we're in here. The door's closed. Where's the band? The band is over there.
Sebastián, ¿quién es?